Good evening, brother and sisters. I'm here on behalf of 2,400 PMP workers. Progressive Molded Product Limited was a non-unionized auto part manufacturer. We lost our job on last Canada Day long weekend when the company suddenly closed down, owing us over $30 million in severance and termination pay. We were so outraged that we formed a picket line 24/7 for 16 days. Tonight, I want to thank CAW and the labor movement for the standing beside us and extending your solidarity. Now, most of the PMP workers are running out of EIs. Some are borrowing from Visa to pay the mortgage, and some borrowing from Money Mart with 20% interest just to survive. How long can we last? We are proud, hardworking people. We want a secure job so that we can make a better life, a better future, and a future for our children. It is a Canadian dream that we all work for. We would rather work than being on EI benefit and stress out on how we can provide a roof and put food on the table with that only 55%. Fighting for EI reform, it doesn't mean we want to live on EI. We need these EI improvement just to get through the rough time like this. We were the victim of the planned closure and this economic crisis, but we are also the fighters, fighting for our right by coming out to rally, signing petition, and lobbying politicians. PMP now, we stand for politicize, mobilize for the power of the people. Brother and sister, whether you are unionized, non-unionized, employed, unemployed, we need to come together to fight for the change. Your action in this campaign is the best solidarity we could ever ask for. Thank you, brother.
It's beautiful.
Solidarity forever.
you.
On behalf of the 7,500 members of the Society of Energy Professionals, we are going to support this going forward. Thank you very much.
Ken Newman, United Steelworkers National Director here, that the steelworkers will be in this fight with you to continue to work for a fair economic justice in this country, and we look forward to that fight. And as other people say that this is possible, let's go do it.
I'm Kim Ginter, Administrative Vice President, and on behalf of CEP, we stand together with all workers to fight during this time of crisis.
Hi, my name is Fred Hahn. I'm here from the Canadian Union of Public Employees, and I want to pledge our union's strong support to standing together with every worker, public sector, private sector.
My name is Cecily Phillips, Vice President from United Local 75. We pledge to move our co-workers to take action.
The Canadian Union of Postal Workers delivers in the postal sector. The Canadian Union of Postal Workers delivers in the labor movement and in the community, and the Canadian Union of Postal Workers will deliver in solidarity. Thank you.
The elementary teachers of Toronto and OSSTF District 12, we do pledge tonight that we stand firmly behind all workers, public and private sectors, in this time of crisis.
Stephen Martin, representing construction in Toronto and York Region Labour. We stand united with all workers, public and private, in this time of crisis.
And the Canadian auto workers stand proudly with the labour movement, with the social movement, with those most vulnerable into society to demand economic and social justice. To the people in this room, thank you for mobilizing.
Firefighters, thanks for giving me the mic after Mr. Lawenza. On behalf of the 3,100 men and women that serve the City of Toronto, we stand behind you. We're going to do our part to help in this fight.
And we pledge that we will never stop until there are good jobs for all and for a greater Toronto.
My name is Andy Summers. I'm the Regional Vice President of the Ontario Nurses Association. On behalf of our 54,000 members across this province and the 24,000 that are in the GTA, we stand shoulder to shoulder and in solidarity with the rest of the unions here.
I'm Kevin Corporon, President of UFCW Local 1000A and International Vice President. On behalf of our 30,000 members of Local 1000A and the 240,000 members of UFCW Canada, we stand in support of all workers during this time of crisis.
John Hull, Director of Organizing for Local 938 of the Teamsters. On behalf of the Teamsters Union, we will stand together with all other workers in this time of crisis.
Smokey Thomas, and I'm president of No Justice, No Peace. So on behalf of the 120,000 members of OPSEU and the 22,000 members of OPSEU in Toronto and Greater Toronto area, we pledge we're there and we'll be there till we win.
My name is Paul Taylor. I'm an international representative with the International Alliance of Theatrical and Stage Employees. And I'd just like to say that we will stand together with all other workers in this time of crisis.
Oh